Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up personal vault in OneDrive app at 2026. So actually guys, the personal vault is a secure folder in OneDrive that gives you an extra layer of protection using identity verification before you can open it. Okay, so to do that you will need us first to open the OneDrive app and sign in with your Microsoft account if needed. And in your list of folders that you can find inside files right here, okay, and my files, so this is actually the list of folders. Okay, you can find and tap the personal vault. So that's the personal vault, as you can see. And let's say that you don't see it, you will need to make sure the app is up to date. So you will need to go ahead and check on Play Store or App Store. Okay, so right now you will need to tap Get Started or Continue to begin the setup. And after that, OneDrive will ask you to verify your identity. So choose a method like SMS, text code, email code, Microsoft authenticator app actually, or biometric, okay, like fingerprints, Face ID if available on your phone. And after that, you will need just to enter the verification code you receive and follow the prompts to finish setup. And you may be asked to set a PIN, or use biometrics, for example. And once set up, Personal Vault automatically locks after a short period of inactivity to keep your sensitive files safe. And as an information, the personal vault may lock sooner, typically around 3 minutes of inactivity, and you can change this in your profile settings. Then go ahead and tap on your personal vault, then go with auto lock if your version of the app supports it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.